Yes, we are back in my father's garage to make another test of return to home. And what's interesting about this test is that we have a metal roof here. So what I will do now is I will unpack the drone. I will first start by powering on the remote, and then I will power on the drone, and then I will take off as fast as I can out under this metal roof before it even gets a chance to capture some satellites. So let's just do a little bit of preparation here. The Mavic 4 Pro, this is the one that we are going to use for this experiment. My father is out shopping right now, so there's no car in here. So let's just fire this one up. Plug in a remote, not a remote, a microphone in the base. Put on the sticks here. So I will use this, this way. I'll use this tile, these two marked tiles here, these two that has a different color. I'll use those as my takeoff spot. Just remove the microphone just for a second here. So make sure that we can do this exercise as fast as possible. Because it will power on almost instantly. So if I do this, I do this, I do this, I do this. See? Put it on the two tiles. Grabbing this one. So connect. Already start. We do not even have clearance. So now we are flying around here. So it's saying preparing, not safe, no satellites. See, we have no satellites here, as it is right now. And now it's at home point updated. So now it would be really interesting to see what it does. So see, I launched it completely without any satellites while it was still preparing, stuff like that. So we're flying a little bit around here. So, very nice. Okay, now the app is closing. Cool. That's also interesting. So what do we do about that? Luckily I have a visual line of sight, so I can fly back. That's interesting, look at this. So I lost the signal. Okay, so now we're ready. So let's try and bring it back. See if it can find its way. So now it's coming. So we'll probably say that it's difficult conditions. So I will accept that. So we navigate this, and I'm of course ready with the pause button if something should happen. We'll follow along. Remember, it was these two marked tiles in here. These two. So now it's turning around. maybe 10-15 centimeters off. Maybe 10-15 centimeters off. So how about that? So that was of course a little bit scary, and emphasizes why you should always fly the drone within the visual line of sight, because losing the feed for the drone, that was not fun. So what I basically did was I just raised the altitude so I was sure that I could see the drone, and then I was just turning it around and flying it back towards me. Luckily, the signal came back, so we didn't end up in any dangerous situations. So this was just a short test to show you the magnificent capabilities of the Mavic 4 Pro return to home capabilities. If you want to see some of the other videos that I made around this drone, I've collected everything on a playlist that you can access on this card. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.